Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 photography lights. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Sony X60. Specifications. Brand name, eShot. Origin, mainland China. Color temperature, 5600K. Lighting type, photographic strobe lighting. Package, yes. Certification, C. Item, outdoor lighting. Model, 5600K daylight. Type, LED night lights. The item number 2 is Aperture Amaran 200x200D Video Photography Lighting. Specifications. Brand name, Aperture. Origin, mainland China. Color temperature, bicolor 3200K 5600K. Lighting type, photographic strobe lighting. Package, yes. Certification, C. Color temperature version, bicolor version. Product name, Amaran 100D/200D/100X/200X. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Godox V860 V860. Specifications. Brand name, Godox. Origin, mainland China. Model number, V860 III. Display, yes. Compatible camera brand, Lumix, Fujifilm, Sony, Canon, Nikon, Oolong. TTL, yes. Package, yes. Power source, Li-ion battery. Certification, C. Light source, Li-ion battery. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.